In this video, we're going to show how to gather columns in a Pandas data frame. Now, what gathering does is it takes data that's in a wide format and turns it into data in a long format. So we'll load in some data here that is in a wide format and give you an idea of what that means. So here we're seeing data where there are several columns that are all kind of different time periods in this case. These are actually different sagas within this anime series. So all these values are associated with different sagas, and we could actually join these different column names into a single column indicating the saga, and then all of these values could be in one column. And that would be going from this wide format to a skinny or long data format. And to do this operation in Pandas, we can use the DataFrame melt function. So we'll show how to do that below. We're going to take our data, say .melt. The first argument, ID vars, is going to be a list of the various columns that you just want to keep unaltered and not gathered. So in this case, our character column and the uniform color, they have nothing to do with these columns that we actually want to gather up or their associated values. So we're going to pass those in as some ID vars. And the value variables, value vars argument, is the columns that you want to gather up. So here we're gathering up all of these columns. The next argument is the var name. That is going to be the name given to the new column that you're gathering these value vars into. And then finally, there's another argument called value name. That is going to be the name of the new value column that all of these values are gathered up into. We're going to call that one power level. And when we run this, we should end up with a new data frame where all of these column names are gathered into one key column, and the associated values are gathered into a corresponding value column. So let's run this and see that that is the case. So that is how you go from a wide data format to a long data format using Pandas. Now, all the code used in this video is available in the description below. If you found this video useful, you can drop a like or hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.